Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Well, we're in Plasticity and we're going to have some fun, right? So we're going to get rid of this guy. We're just going to select it and delete it. And let's see what we can come up with. So I'm going to start with a rectangle. And I'm literally making this up as we go. Click on the origin. And we'll do something like that, all right? Then what we're going to do is we're going to click on it, we're going to raise it up till we got something like so. We're going to click on OK. We don't really need to see that rectangle anymore. We're going to go and hit 2 or click on edge, and then we're going to select the outer edges. And then we're going to round them over till we get something like this. And there we go. Cool so far. And of course we're not in perspective mode, we're in orthographic mode. That's why it looks a little bit the way it looks. Yeah. So we're going to jump to the top here. We're going to grab a circle. And let me grab this guy and hit G. And what we're going to do is we're going to push that over here. There you go. We're going to grab a circle. We're going to take that in the middle right here. Actually, let's make it a little bit smaller. We're going to hit G. We're going to move that down here. That looks all right. Okay, then we're going to go to face mode. Select this guy. We're going to push that through like so. We're going to click on OK. Then we're going to select this guy in object mode. And we're going to shift select this guy. We're going to hit Q and we're going to hit OK. So we punched a hole through. We can hide the circle. That's all good. Then let's see what we're going to do here is we're going to jump to our top view again. Let's grab a rectangle. Why not? And actually I want a center rectangle, so we're gonna hold, click on this guy in the middle. Oh. Try it again. Yeah, there you go. Click and drag. Let's do something like this. Hit G to move it up. Alrighty. Then we're going to go to face mode once again, click on it, push that through. We're going to hide the rectangle. We're going to hit G. We're going to move this object up. Then we're going to click on OK. Grab those edges. Round them over like that. Go to object mode, select this guy, shift select this guy, hit Q on the keyboard, click on OK. So now we have something looking like this. Then what we're going to do is go to edge mode and select these edges. I don't think I have to select all of them. No, I'm right. The only thing we need to do is select these as well. And then we're good. Not too much. Round over like that. That's good. Let's do the same here. Yep, looks good as well. Then we're going to jump to this view. We're going to grab another center rectangle. Let's do that. Go to face mode. Click on it. Pull that all the way through. Click on OK. Hit G to pull it a little bit back if you like. Alright. Then we're going to go and click on OK. Select this guy in object mode. Shift select this guy. Hit Q on the keyboard. Click on OK. Hide the rectangle. So now we have something like this, which looks kind of neat. I think so anyway. And yeah, what else can we do? We can create an opening from this end. Why not? And the idea here is just to show you a few techniques you can use to create interesting objects, right? So we're going to go in here. We're going to keep that fairly small. Why not? Go to face mode, click on it, push that all the way through. All right, go to object mode. Okay, yep. Hit G, push that through like so. Click, shift click, hit Q, click on OK. And there you have it. So yeah, just a few techniques to show you how you can easily make interesting objects, and you can do that for many different types of objects, right? So if you're working on machinery or something sci-fi, or even like some futuristic handheld, right? Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and yeah, let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.